to change the sentence if it comes into the type 2. Very minor changes are there. Very minor changes you will notice. Suppose the construction comes in this form: subject plus verb plus one of the plus one of the plus superlative degree plus then it is your object, right? Subject plus verb plus one of the plus superlative degree plus object. Now let us change into positive degree. See how this sentence is going to change into positive degree. Now here we have to begin the sentence with very few, or you can begin with not many plus object. Now one thing we can understand in this sentence is that whenever there is one of the, right, this object will be in plural form. So there is no need to change it into the plural form. Naturally it is in the plural form. So what we are going to do now, we are going to change it into the positive degree. So it will begin with very few or not many plus object plus, then we have to take the verb plus, we have to take the care about the verb. Here it may be a singular according to the subject, but here it should be plural because our this particular noun or pronoun will be in a plural form. Then one of the superlative degree, we have to remove it and we have to use the positive form. How we write? As plus positive degree plus as plus object. Now we have to change the same sentence into comparative degree. Let us see how we are going to change. Then again subject, sentence will begin with subject, then verb plus. Now we have to remove again one of the superlative degree, we will remove, and instead of that we are going to take comparative degree plus, then plus. Now here in previous format what we have taken? Any other, remaining other, rest other, but here we will take many oblique most plus other plus object. So what we can see, many oblique most other plus object. So let us see about the comparative degree construction. Subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus then we have taken. So we have removed one of the superlative degree with the comparative degree then, and after that what we have taken? Many oblique most other plus object. Now let us focus on the example. Let us take one example. See, let us see, right? She is one of the most talented students in our school. See what is the sentence? She is one of the most talented students in our school. Now let us see, we have to change it into positive degree. Now according to the construction, either you can begin with very few or you can begin with not many. Any construction, you can begin with very few or not many, or as it is asked in the examination. Then we are going to take the object naturally. Here object is plural. See, focus on this noun, students. So very few, not many students in our school. This is what is your object form, right? Then we have to take the verb form. And now what is your the verb? Here it is, but now here your main object is student. It is plural, so is will become, what is the plural form of is? That is are, right? So very few oblique not many students in our school are as. Now the most talented, one of the most talented, it will be removed with the positive form. And what is the positive form of the most talented? It is talented. And how to write? As talented as she. As talented as she. So what is the sentence? Very few oblique not many students in our school are as talented as she, right? So in here we have changed it into positive degree. Now same sentence we have to change it into comparative degree. Now let us see how we have to change it into comparative degree. Again the same sentence will begin with subject. Subject is she. Then we have got the verb. What is the verb? Verb is. Now one of the most talented, it will be removed with comparative degree plus than. Now what is the comparative degree of the most talented? It is more talented. So we have written more talented. Then we are going to write than. Then we are going to write than. She is more talented than. Then again here according to the construction, many oblique most. Anything you can take. Suppose we take many. Many, then many. We have taken many. Along with many, what we need? Other. Many other. And after other, we need object. Now, what is the object part of your sentence? That is students in our school. So here we are going to write students in our school. So in this way, we have to change the superlative degree into positive and comparative degree. This is what is the comparative form of that superlative word. One more example we'll see. Suppose the sentence is in this particular format, or if the sentence comes not exactly in the form, the way it has given in the construction. Let us see. One of the coolest place, one of the coolest place in India is Simla. Right? Let's check. One of the coolest place in India is Shimla. Right? How you pronounce? It's depend on that. One of the coolest place in India is Shimla. Now we have to change this particular sentence into positive degree. Because what is the degree? One of the coolest. This is what is your superlative degree. Now in this sentence, what you can see, this sentence does not exactly fit into the construction. Here the sentence begins according to construction, sentence begin with subject, but here the sentence has begun with one of the coolest. So what we have to do, we have to adjust this sentence into our construction. Now let's again focus on the verb. What is our verb? Verb is your is. So after verb, the part which is after verb, let us take it as a subject, right? And the thing, the part of the sentence which is between the verb and the superlative degree, let us take it as a object. Once again, we have to focus what one of the coolest. This place is written singular, but it should be in a plural form. Why? Because here one of the it itself makes us the sense of plural form. So the place will be places. Now let us change into positive degree. But for changing the positive degree, we have to use the same format. Either you begin with very few or not many. So for example, we will begin with very few. So we are going to begin the sentence with very few. Very few, along with very few, what we need? Object. Now what is our object? One of the coolest places. The object is places in India. So we will take the object here. Very few places in India. So far, places is your plural. So naturally the verb will change. Here the verb will is. So what we have to do? The is will change into the plural form, that is are. Very few places in India are. So one of the coolest will change into the positive form. It is as cool as. Now this subject, actually it is subject, but according to the construction we need subject at the end, right? So it will be the subject at the end. Here we have to take the subject. Now we have to take the subject at the end. Now that subject will be very few places in India are as cool as Shimla. So in this way, we have changed this sentence into positive degree. Now let us see, we have to change the same sentence into comparative degree. Now let us see how to change the sentence into comparative degree. We will change the sentence into comparative degree. Yes, again the comparative degree begins with subject. Our subject is Shimla. So we will take the Shimla here. Shimla, verb is. Then we have to take the comparative degree. The comparative degree of one of the coolest is cooler. Shimla is cooler. Then after that we have to take many or most. So we will take many other. Then again, what is the object part? Places in India. Many other places in India. Right? So again we can take the look of the comparative sentence. Shimla is cooler than many